Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove all contacts from the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it usually opens up in the feed where we have the posts of the people that we follow. Now we can just scroll to the right, swipe to the right, scroll down a bit, tap on settings and support, and under settings and support, tap on settings and privacy. Here we tap on privacy and safety, and under the privacy and safety category we find the discoverability and contacts, and if we tap on this, at the bottom we find remove all contacts. If we tap on this, then we can remove all of our phone contacts, the people that we have the phone number of, from our contact list in the X app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.